to the power today. Pretty nasty stuff.
Well, that's the same storm system that's headed our way.
Seriously?
Yeah,
far
that's
away,
the one, yeah.
So it's turning the beautiful weather, which is California like today, into a little more of that.
Yeah, a mess.
A mess.
A hot mess. That's what we're getting tomorrow, unfortunately, folks. It's going to be nasty, unfortunately, at times. There's a look at Fayetteville. Not too bad today. A near record-setting day in Fayetteville, where you can see their temperatures tying the record of 71. We should be in the upper 40s this time of the year, so you can see just how ridiculously warm it was today as we tied the record set back on this day in 2006. Now, if you're like me and you love the cold and snow, I would have rather tied the record low, but well, we can't have everything now. Fort Smith, nice and quiet tonight, also tying their record of 76. I don't think I've ever seen that in my time here, where both Fort Smith and Drake Field tied their record highs for the day. But I digress. Tomorrow's a severe day. We are watching the development of showers and thunderstorms. The best chance for those showers and storms will be mid to late afternoon through early evening, but the rain will get here earlier in the late morning hours. All modes of severe weather are possible, especially south and east into the river valley. And those severe threats, everything you see here, heavy rain, flash flooding, damaging winds, strong tornadoes. We're talking about EF2 or stronger, long track tornadoes. The good news is, I think the hail threat will be relatively low if you consider that even a silver lining. Look how warm it is still over the air. Still flirting with 70 down near Texarkana. That cold air being held at bay to our north. But you can see, and this is important, these dew points, these muggy, almost spring-like dew points are starting to penetrate their way toward our area, and we may see 60-degree dew points as far north as I-44, and that is just going to ripen up the atmosphere and set the stage for when this guy makes its way toward our area over the next 12 to 15 hours. In the warm sector is where we're going to see that explosion of showers and thunderstorms. Now, it'll be quiet tonight as we go through the rest of the evening, just increasing clouds. And then by late tomorrow morning, now I'm showing you some new model data here. We talked about that earlier today. This particular model is saying, yeah, we may get a first push of some strong to severe thunderstorms across eastern parts of the river valley mid to late afternoon, where northwest Arkansas remains relatively quiet, and then everybody gets into the severe and strong thunderstorm show as the actual front makes its way through between 7 and 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. I mean, look how much, most likely there's the possibility all of this forms into a line of showers and storms. But look, by 10, 11 o'clock, it is out of the area, and we are clearing out relatively quickly. SPC boys still saying scattered severe storms across most of the area tomorrow. Better chance for widespread storms south of the interstate, south of I-40. High winds, certainly a threat if you get into one of those severe storms, but the threat is also in northwest Arkansas. And we've got the tornado threat. You don't want to see that hatched area, because that's when you're talking about the possibility of EF2 tornadoes, but can't rule out a spin up in northwest Arkansas as well. You got to have that plan of action ready to go, folks. Hail as well. There's a look at lows tonight. We'll drop into the 50s briefly, and then temperatures will start to rise as we get toward dawn, and we'll be in the 70s for tomorrow. Other than that, the rest of the week looks great. It really does. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the 40s. But as I was saying, as I show you these extended forecasts, dust off that plan of action. Make sure you've got those batteries changed in your flashlights, in your NOAA weather radios. Your phone is fully charged, and you've got the 4029 app downloaded, Paul, because it could get bumpy tomorrow afternoon. Just better safe than sorry.
Yep, certainly a good time to download the app. Robert, thanks.